a sec. Holy shit. Oh.
No, there's one more. This is why you joined me, right? Cleaning diapers. Beautiful window. This is the circular window in the basement. But I didn't know it could open. The whole circle can pivot around that corner. Such a beautiful window. I don't know why, but this really excites me. Like detail. Well, it's not a really detail, is it? It's no, maybe it is. The design of this place and these kind of features, which you normally don't really see, are really like it. Makes me really happy. And to be fair, that says something, right? If you're literally walking on diapers and in between cobwebs in a narrow trench, and this window makes you happy, then you probably know you've got the right project for you. So we're done this little bit right here to the end there. So now it's a matter of turning around the corner and then navigating under and above 3 wooden supports or something.
You can't get the gun.
All right. I think we have found our next trophy. Trophy in the trenches. Hoppa! Efficiency. Close now. You can almost see the light. Close as it's just one side of the whole building. It's just one side. Wow. This is taking more effort than I would expect, really. But then again, what didn't? We almost reached the kitchen. So this is the kitchen, and we've reached that corner now. So just a little last part to go. No one has ever done this before. Insane. Just opened this window, which wasn't open probably for years, but we managed to open it. We have reached this very dubious situation right here. An old stick, an old branch that is probably half eaten already. This is already half gone. That's probably the piece that was up there, and they sort of cemented something new, I guess.
Beetje verbetering.
This is really uncomfortable. I can literally not turn my hips. Fuck. Jesus. I'm not claustrophobic, but
Yes.
we did find the sewage point in the end. This is all the way at the end, near the entrance, the servants' entrance. Let's just get out of here. We got like 2-3 wheelbarrows of sand out of this area, so hopefully the water can flow freely now. I'm really done here, so I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go out.
Okay.
And now the only part left is to do the other side. So we basically did a little bit more than half. So we need to clear this out as well. Obviously, this doesn't look too structurally sound either. For now, I'm just gonna cut down one more tree, and I think I'll end today with a nice cold shower. And then that's it for today. Yeah, so I guess I will see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.